Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Stats Math Simple. In the last videos, we have learned about the how to install R Studio, how to start with R Studio, and what is the R programming is about. In today's video, we will proceed it to the further level. What is the variable? What are the data types that we which are the foundation of this R programming. So let's get started. Now let me tell you one thing. When I am defining a value to a variable, basically variable is a like container that will store your values to a manipulated name that you can use further. Now there's multiple type to assign multiple types for assign for the assigning a value to the variable or manipulated name. How you can do that? By using the equal operator. Equal what? How you can do by using the equal operator? Equal operator like if I type is variable 1 or variable 2, then I will type first name of the variable that you are using. You are going to use assign the values, and I am assigning a value into this like 26. Now when I will run, I will select it. When I will select it and run it by pressing Ctrl and Enter, then I can see 26 stored in the variable 2 as we did earlier by using the leftward operator like this. Both are using the same thing. Both are the same thing. Some analyst or our assignment, our programming user use this equal operator and some use this leftward operator. Leftward operator means this 28 value will be assigned to the this left name that is used in the left side. This is your leftward operator. These are the two ways that you can use to assign a value. Don't use here the 2 times equal to sign like variable 2 equals to 22. Don't do this. If you do this, then it will convert into a logical variable, logical data type. So you have to only use one equal sign like this. If you want to use the right word operator, you can use the right word operator. Then what do you have to do? You have to type the values before on the right hand side, left hand side. Then press the right word and put the name of the variable here. Like you can type here right. Okay. This will come in this way. Now you can see the right one is assigned to the 30th value. So these are the three way you can use the equal operator for the assignment of values to a variable. The leftward operator and the rightward operator. These are the three way that you can use for assignment purpose or naming variable in R. When you assigning a name to the values or naming variables, you are using the naming variables, variable name. Then what you need to know, either type in this way. So don't start with the 1, 2, 3. It will not save any type of values in this. It will give you like unexpected simple this. So you have to start it only with character. If I will start with the character is this, then it will save your output. So don't start with the numeric one. Don't start with the special character also. If I will do this thing with the special character um like star, then again it will not do. So don't use the numeric, don't use the special character, and don't use the space also. So if I will do this and I put the space between this, then it will also again not assign the value into this variable name. So there are more than three type of things you do this. Don't use any type of special character. Don't use numeric values at the starting. Special character is special, and start with the character, and do not put the space between the name. So if you want to put the space between name, then what you can do, like stats made simple. In this way, you can assign some values in this thing. If you want to create more valuable name, you create some valuable variable. I think you understood this thing very well. So now we will proceed with the integer. The data type integer, numerical, logical, and yes, I think this is the only. So for integer, whole values there will be numerical for decimal, and the logical one for true and false. So when I will assign the some values to a variable, like let me do stats made simple. Now here you will see one thing. When I am assigning, I am typing here different way for case sensitive. Now you can see this is the different variable created and this is the different variable created, but all both are the same, have the same alphabets, but only the difference is this. Here at the starting I am using the capital letter and here I am using the small letter. So our studio, our programming is a case sensitive. So you have to keep in mind, keep that thing in mind. Like you'd put all the things in a very proper manner. So for the integer one, this is the categorical one. I have created the character. So when I will see the class of this, that's made simple. So it will be the character. If I will see class of this thing, so this will be the numeric. So you know very well in the last video also, I have told you if you want to convert into the integer. So for the conversion of the into the integer, what do you have to do? You have to put it here L. So when you see now run it and see the class of this. Now this is converted into the integer. For the numerical, you have seen this thing already. For the numerical one, what you have to do? You have to put like your age, maybe 30. So this is assigned as your age. Now put C by using the class function and see this is the numeric one. For the logical one, what you have to do? You have to assign the value like if I will use like in this way or some name like you can see summer true. Now see the class of this summer. It is correct. Now when I will remove this inverted comma, then see it is the logical one. Now here I want to tell you few things like if you want to see all the available variable in your workspace, present variable in your workspace, then what you have to type? You have to type ls, then run it. It will give you all the variables that you have present in your workspace right now, in your current working directory. And let us suppose you want to remove something from your current working directory. Then what you have to do? You have to use the remove function, rm. So let us suppose I am removing your age. So I will type it and your age will be removed. Now see the all present variable. Now your age is not available here. So this is the few functions that you can see. That you can use to see how to work with these type of variables. You can do some simple calculation operations also. Like if I am adding this one variable to this. Now it will give you output in this way. Now he is saying me it is not fine. Now let's see. It is fine. Yes. Now it is giving you the output like 9 plus 8, 17. If you want to save this output to a variable, so what you can do, type output and put this all things, assign all this thing to here to out. Then you can see out and the values of out is this. If you don't want to select, then type the print and type in the print function, type the variable name, what the values you want to see out. So it will show you the output also of that variable. So you have seen this is the character one, this is the logical one, and this is the integer one, numerical one. So these are the all variable data types that you have to understand before proceeding further. Some basic things like ls, rm, class function, because you need everywhere to see what is the data type, what is the variable of this thing. So now you understand what is the variable, what is the data type. In the next video, we will understand vectors and data structures. How to create a vector, how to create matrix, how to create data frame, list, etc. So don't forget to subscribe and continue learning. Thanks a lot.